Hi guys, as promised, going to record you the Pinans. This is exactly as we do it in class. So hopefully maybe try and do it once every day between lessons, and then your karate will just continue to improve. So I'm going to add in the Japanese words. So those of you who are brown belt who want to kind of become more familiar, if you kind of say it in your head as you do it, it just becomes so much easier. So let's start. Heels are touching, nice straight back, and we bow. Great. So every Pinan starts with neote, which literally means kind of tidy yourself up or attention, and then hands down. From here, we step out with the left leg, and we're trying to keep a lovely sense of sechusen, which is our center line, so correct center line position. The first pin, every Pinan starts with turning the right heel out to prepare for cat stance, and we're dropping our weight into that right foot as we do the first move, which is uchi-otoshi, hammer one. Nice straight back, nice cat stance. So about 90-10 here in weight. We're going to step forward, oizuki. Keep that back heel nice and grounded. Now, we're in zenket stretch, which means front knee bend stance. Remember, I can't do it for you, so make sure you get that stance. From here, stepping over, so right leg moves, step over to make zenket stretch. Right gedan brai. Be careful here, loads of people miss this move out. On the spot hammer, so uchi-otoshi again. Then step forward, oizuki. From here, same arm and leg to the front. So we're going directly to the north here, gedan brai. We step forward, ageuki. 1, so rising block, 2, and 3. And then you're going to do a big hai or sa. We're going to go to the southeast now. So move the back leg a lot. Got to get all the way over to that corner. Gedan brai. Step forward, oizuki. Same arm and leg, pull back to go forward. So we're going to the southwest now. Oizuki. Same arm and leg directly to the south here. Gedan brai, step forward. Oizuki 1, oizuki 2, and 3. Again, another big sa. From here, step up. So all the weight comes onto the right leg. We open both hands, stretch a lot with the left leg, and drop down to the northwest corner. Keep looking, keep going that way. Knee, we're in shikarachi here. Sumo stance or goddess pose. Pull up, itch to the northeast. Step forward, knee. Nice straight back, nice strong legs. Keep looking. Pull back to center, keep looking. Head to neutral, hands forward. We finish right leg, left leg, heels touch, and bow. Okay, obviously that's nice and slow just for teaching purposes, so start off slow, build it up. Enjoy.